Try to think that we have air condition and we have to turn it on and off with the remote activity. Or we have television, with the remote we can turn on and off it. If air conditioner is here, then I have to use my remote towards the air condition. I can turn it on and off. But if you are doing in this side, then AC will not work. In the same way, television. If television this side, then you have to have remote activity towards television, not this side. In the same way, you need mental remote activity. Try to see God has become the cosmos. Whole universe is manifestation of God. God has become earth. God has become head to toes. God has become Om. God has become word, cosmic consciousness, Shabad. That is the vibration. Then God has become this. God has become brain spinal cord. Now this consciousness is entering into medulla, from there getting stored in brain and spinal cord, not moving in all parts. When you are working, that consciousness is going there. Whatever feel heaviness, lightness, it is because of that. Appreciate your various perception of heaviness, lightness, comfort, discomfort, heat and cold. Do not criticize. Do not say tiredness. Do not say anything. Therefore, try to feel this more and more. Moment you feel it more and more, then you will realize that you are on the path of self-realization. Yeah, just do it. Therefore, practice sincerely with all devotion. This is very important. Then what is the conclusion? Mental remote activity. Try to visualize constantly, all the time, that the same cosmic current is moving into medulla, brain, spinal cord, in all parts. Whatever feel changes, appreciate it. Pay highest request and honor. Pay it more and more. Try to start from now. You are sitting here, because of that current you are able to sit. And this current is gone, it stops moving, then all animation of body stops. Then you cannot talk, you cannot listen, you cannot work. Try to remember this. Tomorrow again in the morning, I will discuss about science of food and the Kriya principle and philosophy.